Watch this.
Your brain isn't broken. Feeling overwhelmed is a signal, not a sentence.
This video was entirely made using NotebookLM. First, I produced an engaging script based on proven viral formats. Then I created the complete video using Google Flow and Meta AI. And in this video, I'll share my exact workflow so that you can leverage the power of NotebookLM to go viral in any niche. You'll find links to all the tools and prompts used here in the description below. Start by searching for keywords around your topic on YouTube. For example, if your topic is self-improvement, look for videos around focus, attention span, or productivity. Pick around 8 to 12 videos that have high view count and are from popular creators. Add all your YouTube links in a new NotebookLM file and name your notebook for easy reference later. Now, before we start generating the script, we need to understand the structure that's already working in this niche. If you look at the videos you added, most of them follow similar patterns in how they start, how they keep attention, and how they deliver the content. Instead of analyzing all of that manually, we'll let NotebookLM do it for us. Paste the first prompt from the description below into NotebookLM. This prompt is designed to find out what's already working in those videos. Once the response is generated, click Save to Note. It will appear in the Notes section on the right. Then click the 3 dots on that note and select Convert to Source. This step is important because now NotebookLM will use these extracted patterns as part of its source material when generating your script. With that done, we can move on to the main prompts. Start by pasting the first script prompt from the description. This one will generate key building blocks for your script, like title formulas, opening promises, CTAs, loops, and emotional triggers. Once you get the output, save it as a note as well. Then paste your second script prompt. This one helps you pick the best topic based on everything we've analyzed so far. When the result appears, you'll get 3 strong topic ideas at the end. Pick the one that stands out the most to you. In my case, I'm going with the second idea, outwalking your anxiety. Before moving to the script, you can search your keyword on Google and add a few research-based blog posts for better results. Once your sources are ready, move to the next step. Paste prompt 3 into NotebookLM. This will generate a detailed research brief for your script. It typically includes your main thesis, audience pain points, key arguments, supporting ideas, transitions, and the overall section flow. Think of this as the foundation of your script. After the response is generated, save it as a note. Next, paste prompt 4. This prompt converts your research brief into a structured outline. You'll get a clear hook, an intro promise, a logical section breakdown, and a closing takeaway with a CTA. Review the outline carefully. At this stage, you'll notice that the structure already aligns with what's working in your niche while still being based on real sources and an original idea. Now move to the final step. Paste prompt 5 from the description. This is where everything comes together. This prompt applies all the writing guidelines and converts your outline into a complete script. Once you run it, NotebookLM will generate your full script, properly structured, clearly written, and grounded in the sources you added. And this is your final output. You can see how clean and organized it is, with clear sections, smooth flow, and everything already laid out in a way that's ready to turn into a video. Make sure the flow feels natural. Once that's done, we'll generate the voiceover. Go to Google AI Studio, click Get Started, and open the playground. From there, select Text-to-Speech and choose the Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS model. On the right-hand panel, switch to single-speaker audio. Then paste your style instructions and select a voice. For example, I'm using the second voice option, named Puck, but you should choose a voice that best matches your script and the tone you're going for. One important thing to keep in mind: do not generate the entire voiceover in one go, as the output can become unstable in longer scripts. Instead, work section by section. Paste one part of the script, generate the audio and review. Repeat this for each section. Now it's time to create images for each video scene. Go to Gemini and paste the next prompt. This prompt will generate a structured table with 4 columns. the narration line, an image prompt, a video motion prompt, and the suggested clip duration. Make sure you do this section by section, not all at once. This keeps everything organized and ensures your visuals stay perfectly in sync with your script. Inside the prompt, you'll see placeholders. Replace them with your script section and the duration of its voiceover. Once you run it, you'll get a complete visual breakdown with prompts and timing already mapped to your script. This becomes your visual plan. Now repeat the same process for each section until your entire script is covered. Once that's done, we'll start turning those prompts into actual visuals. Open Google Flow. Take your first image prompt from the table and paste it into Flow. It will generate a couple of options for you. Pick the one that looks the most natural and best matches your script. Then continue the same way for the rest. Go back to Gemini, copy the next image prompt, generate the visual, and repeat this until you've created images for all sections. Once your images are ready, the next step is to convert them into videos. For this, we'll use Meta AI. Click on Create, then use the plus icon to upload your image. Along with that, paste the corresponding video motion prompt from your table. The tool will generate an animated clip based on your prompt. Repeat this for each image. If the output doesn't look right, you can regenerate it or slightly tweak the prompt to improve the result. By the end of this step, you'll have all your video clips ready. Now comes the final step, putting everything together on an external editor. I'll be using Canva here. Click on Create, then search for the video chapter template and open it. Go to the Upload section and add all your voiceovers and video clips. Start by placing your audio on the timeline first, then align your video clips according to the narration. Once your clips are aligned, you can add transitions between them to make the flow smoother. You can also include text overlays if you want to highlight key points or improve clarity. After everything is arranged, play through the full video and check if the timing and flow feel right. Make any small adjustments if needed. When you're satisfied, export your final video. So there you have it, the complete step-by-step workflow to create viral videos using NotebookLM. Follow the prompts in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.